Probability is not just a chapter, it is mathematics of life. Every exam, every move, every choice, everything is probability. Once you master this chapter, you stop guessing, you start calculating. In this video, I will teach you from basics to advanced level problems. Probability means how likely an event is to happen. How likely an event is to happen. That is called probability. It lies, its values lies between 0 to 1. 0 indicates impossible, 1 indicates certainty. Between 0 and 1, possible values. How likely an event is to happen is called probability. It lies between 0 and 1. 0 indicates impossible, 1 indicates certain. Between 0 and 1 is called possibilities, right? We can write in notation form as 0 less than or equal to probability of an event less than or equal to 1. We have to include 0 and 1 also. 0 and 1, some values between this 0 and 1. So inclusive values 0 and 1 also to be included. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Probability of an event is equal to favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes whole divided by total number of outcomes. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes whole divided by total number of outcomes. To master this chapter, you must know some basic terms. So first one is trial. First term is trial. Trial is an action whose result cannot be predicted. For example, if we toss a coin, we can't expect or we can't guess whether it will be head or tail. So that is called trial. An action whose result cannot be predicted means we cannot guess. Example, tossing of a coin. Next term, outcome. Result of a trial is called outcome. If we toss a coin, we have tail or head. This tail and head are called outcomes. Outcome. The result of a trial is called outcome. Example, head or tail. All possible outcomes is called sample space. If you throw a die, we have values from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we throw a die, we have these values. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. We write S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is sample set when a die is thrown. See the screen, sample space, all possible outcomes. All possible outcomes is called sample space. We write in the form of set S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Desired outcome is called event. Desired outcome is called event. Suppose I want even numbers. When we throw a die, probability of getting even number. So what even numbers we get? 2, 4, 6. These are the even numbers. So these set of these numbers is together called event, right? Getting even number. If I ask you getting odd number, then in that case 1 we have 3 and we have 5. So event is desired outcomes. See in the screen, event, a desired outcome. Example, getting an even number. When we throw a die, we have even numbers 2, 4, 6. Hello students, let us solve some questions. Probability of a question is, what is P getting a head, right? So number of total outcomes. We have head and tail, two outcomes. Here we need getting a head. So how many heads are there in this sample set? Only one head. So total outcomes is 2. Favorables here P. What is probability of getting a head? How many heads we have? We have only one. So this is the answer for this question. Getting a head. Similarly, probability of getting a tail. So total number of outcomes is 2. One is head, another is tail. Favorable outcome is getting a tail. If we toss a coin, how many tails we get? Only one. So that's why we write one favorable outcome in numerator, total number of outcomes in denominator. So answer 1 by 2. We write this one P of T means probability of getting a tail. P of T is half 1 by 2. Probability of a dice. Probability of a dice. When we throw a die, we have 6 values. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sample set of a die is S. Sample space S, that is denoted by S. These are the values, outputs, outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when a die is thrown, what is the probability of getting an even number? Getting an even number. See how we solve this question. We know the formula for probability, right? Probability of an event, that is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So in this case, total number of cases, outcomes 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need even number, getting an even number. Out of these numbers, what are the even number? 1, 2, 3. So how many even numbers are there in this sample space? 3. So that's why we write in numerator 3. By cancelling these terms, we get 1 by 2. So probability of getting an even number is half. Next question is probability of getting a number greater than 4. Getting a number greater than 4. So we have sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All outcomes of an event is called sample space. So here getting total number of total number of outcomes is 6. So write that number in denominator. Next, getting a number greater than 4. So here we have 5 and 6. These two only numbers which are greater than 4. So how many numbers are there greater than 4? 1 and 2. 5 and 6. That means two numbers. 2 ones, 2 threes. So probability of getting a number greater than 4 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now we will discuss one important concept that is related to playing cards. We have totally 52 cards. Total cards 52. Total cards 52. Right, ఇక్కడ చూడండి. Playing cards, we have totally 52 cards. Total number of cards is 52. Total number of cards is 52. We have 4 types of cards. We call them suits, right? Suits, 4 suits. Each suit has 13 cards. 13, 13, 13 cards, 13 cards. 13 4 ja 52. So these 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. Okay, suits means types. What are the types? Diamond, heart, spade, club. You can see the pictures here. Diamond. So this is diamond. Okay, this one, first one, diamond. Next, heart. This diagram, red color, right? Heart is in red color. Diamond and heart are in red color. Diamonds are in 13, 13 in number. Hearts also 13. 13 diamonds and 13 hearts we have. Then Spade. This is the diagram of spade. This third one, spade. So spades are 13. Spade cards are 13. Finally, we have club. This is club. Symbol of club is this one. So we have 13 clubs. Diamonds, hearts, spade, clubs. These are called suits. Each suit is having 13 cards. Okay. Each suit, each suit, each suit has number cards, one ace card, three face cards. I am writing here number cards. Each suit has number cards, one ace card, one ace card, one jack, one king, and one queen. Each suit, that means it may be diamond, heart, spade, or club. Each suit is having some number cards. Number cards are numbered from 2 to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are numbered from 2 to 10. Okay, these all number cards are 9. Then we have one ace card. Then we have one jack card. Then we have one king card. And finally we have one queen card. See 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Totally we have 13 cards in each suit. That means diamond contains 13 cards, hearts, spades, and also clubs also having 13 cards. You should remember this. How many number cards are there? 9 in each suit. One ace card, jack, king, queen. These three are called face cards. Jack, king, and the queen are called face cards. Face cards. I will read simply this information. Students, have a look on this picture. This first J stands for jack card. This one jack card, jack card. Second one queen. This one king. This one ace card. This one number card. It is having number 10, right? Number cards from 2 to 9. They are numbered 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 and 9. This number card. Next is this one jack card. Queen, king. This one ace card. These three, jack, queen, king, are having faces. That's why these three are called jack, queen, king are called face cards. Remember this one. Now we have idea. I write all cards in one simple manner. Suppose diamond. Here we have ace card A, ace card, then number cards 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, one jack, one king, another queen. Now carefully have a look on the screen. Diamond and heart are in red color. So here A stands for ace card. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are number cards, right? These number cards in 9 in number. Next one jack, one king, one queen. Here 3. These number cards are 9. This ace card is 1. One ace card, 9 number cards, right? One jack, one king, one queen. Totally we have 13 cards. Manner, heart, club, spade, right? They are also having one ace card, 9 number cards, one jack, one king, and one queen. Club also same, right? Spade also having same similar type of cards, right? That means in diamond, one ace card, one jack, one king, one queen, and 9 number cards. In heart, heart is in red color, hearts are in red color. One ace we have jack, king, queen, and then 9 number cards. In club also, right? Club also we have 9 number cards, one ace card, jack, king, queen card. In spade also in black color, right? We have ace card, jack, king, queen, then 9 number cards. You have to remember all this information. Here is a question. Playing cards, right? Playing cards. 52 cards are there. These are divided into 4 suits. One is spade, next one is heart, diamond, and club. See, heart and diamond are in red color. Spade and clubs are in black color. Then question is, what is the probability of drawing a card? Drawing a king. That is the question. To solve this question, see, first way, probability formula. Probability of an event is, I told you in the beginning, favorable outcomes, total favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here I write number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. In denominator, we write total outcomes. Total outcomes. We know total cards are 52, so we write 52. Total cards are 52. That is total outcomes. We need drawing a king. How many kings are there out of 52 cards? Right? We have diamond. Next we have heart. Then spade, club. In each diamond we have one king. Here also one king. In spades also we have one king. In club also we have one king. That means totally each suit is having only one king. So 4 suits are having 4 kings. So favorable cases, favorable outcomes 4. So 4 by 52. By dividing 2 to the 4, 226. Right? Again 2 1 ja 213. Or directly 4 1 ja 413. Right? So 1 by 13 is the probability. Complementary events. Probability of getting an event, probability of not getting of that event, that is equal to 1. To understand these complementary events, I am giving you an example. Suppose getting rain, probability of getting rain is 0.3. In this case, probability of not getting rain, probability of not getting rain is, just subtract this 0.3 from this 1, you get 0.7, right? 0.7. Probability of getting rain is 0.3. In that case, probability of not getting rain, that is 0.7. So probability of this event, right? Probability of one event, this is probability of negative event or not event, right? So if probability of one event is given, by subtracting that value from 1, you get complementary event. So here, this one P of E. First one is P of E. Second one is P of not E. Means not getting that event. Not E. Suppose P of not getting rain. P of not E is 0.7. Then we have probability of getting that event is 0.3. These two values are complementary events. These are complementary events. By adding these two values, we get 1. So if one event is given, by subtracting that given value from 1, you get its complementary event. See one question on the screen. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability of getting an ace? You know, we have 4 types of cards, 4 suits of cards. That is diamond, then heart, then spades, then clubs, right? We have 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, 13 spades, and 13 clubs. Diamond and heart are in red color. The spade and club are in black color. These are in black color. These are in red color, In each diamond suit, we have one ace. In heart also we have one suit, one ace. In spade card also we have only one ace card. In club, right? In clubs also we have one ace card. Totally we have only 4 ace cards. So probability, how can we find probability? Probability of getting on ace, right? Getting an ace is P of A. Total number of cards, that is total number of cards, that is 52. Favorable cases are favorable outcomes. We need ace cards, right? How many ace cards we have? 4 ace cards. So write this 4. This will be the answer. 4 ones, 4 13s. So 1 by 13 is answer for this question. If a dice is thrown find P getting a prime number, right? So we know if a dice is thrown, we have six numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? These are the total outcomes, or we call it space, right? Sample space. We call it sample space. We call it sample space. After that, see probability of getting a prime number. Probability of getting an event. Here event means prime number. Probability of getting prime number is, in denominator we write total number of outcomes, right, in the sample set. See here how many outcomes we have, totally 6 outcomes. So we write 6. Now favorable cases, favorable outcomes, prime number we need. So 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, right? 1 is not a prime number and complete number, 4 is not a prime number. So we have only 3 prime numbers. We write this 3. So 3 ones, 3 twos. So 1 by 2 is answer. From cards, what is probability of getting a red queen, right? Probability of getting a red queen, right? So here just we write getting a red queen. Inside the bracket we will write getting a red queen. Getting a red queen. Total number of cards, that is 52 cards. Now red queen, right? We have diamonds and hearts are in red color. Only diamonds and hearts are in red color. Spades, clubs, they are in black color. So in diamond, we have only one queen. In heart also, we have only one red queen. That means totally we have two red queens. So we read 2 here. After that we divide, we get the answer. 2 ones, 226. 226 is right. So 1 by 26 is the answer to this question.